Okay, this is the kitty book, huh? Three Little Kittens is what it says. Okay, Three Little Kittens. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens. They began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens. You shall have no pie. Meow, meow, meow. No, you shall have no pie. Sad. Three little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What? Found your mittens? You good little kittens, then you shall have some pie. Purr, 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 we shall have some pie. The end.